Welcome everyone. So this lighting may seem a little strange to you. That is because there was a power cut while I was shooting another video, and I realized that the power cut actually made this lamp look really pretty. So I kept this kind of lighting which is a little dark with this shadow coming behind, which is not supposed to be best practice, but I really like how the lamp is getting illuminated. So I have on my website these Yatra packs. So I just want to talk a little about it. What are these Yatra packs? You can buy these packages and then do the pilgrimage on your own. It's a do-it-yourself package. It is not simply an itinerary document. And consider them to be guides to deepen your sadhana experience as you go about the pilgrimage. And so obviously your question would be how? How can they deepen the sadhana? Well, first of all, these Yatra packs have curated stories in them about various places you will be visiting or some of the historic details. These are not any stories because stories can be interesting from a historic perspective, a geographic perspective, a travel perspective. These are stories which are very relevant for a sadhaka because you can understand the significance of the place by knowing the spiritual aspects of the place in a much deeper way through these stories. I will also try and connect wherever possible how this can actually impact your sadhana. Because when you know that a certain place has a certain story, you can expect certain impact on your sadhana, a certain flavor of that place, of spiritual flavor of that place. More importantly, this Yatra pack gives you a context for your trip, like what are we aiming to do in the trip. You will be using this kshetra and you will do your existing sadhana practices over there, making use of that kshetra in different ways. It's not like a normal travel trip where you go to 5-10 places. It is like you are identifying a routine for yourself within that kshetra so that you can enhance your sadhana. And within this context, you will be exploring many places, even a lot of hidden gems, hidden pieces of information. But it will be within the larger context of deepening your sadhana, and that context I feel is also making a big difference for you when you embark on that trip. And then of course there are all the expert recommendations of the logistics, where to stay, where to your transport options, where to eat. These just help make the whole process easier. And because this is like a do-it-yourself trip, it means that you are not bound to follow any of this. If there are specific things you prefer, you can go ahead with it. Moreover, you don't need to stick to a specific dates for a group trip. You don't have to stick to a specific circle who are joining you in a group trip. You can take your friends, your family, you can go solo if you want. These Yatra packs are great for first-time solo travelers also, because a lot of them have a lot of hesitations, and these Yatra packs always do a check for solo travelers because I am a solo traveler fundamentally. So I always have a check for those aspects as well, as to whether this will be safe, at what time you have to leave, what time you should avoid this place, whatever such instructions may be there or not, they may not be there. Because in a lot of places, especially women solo traveling might not realize that you can actually do late nights in, for example, a Kumbh Mela or in some of the other celebratory environments where everyone is up and about in the dark hours of the night or early mornings. Having said that, regarding the safety aspect, it's always a little bit tricky because there is nothing like 100% safety. It's always like we are taking a reasonably good guess about whether something is safe and then we are going ahead with it. And there is always that small chance that something may go awry. And finally, this Yatra pack just cuts down your research time significantly. And not only does it cut down your research time, the fact is that for a lot of people, because they have not done that kind of rigorous traveling, or for whatever reason you may not have the acumen, they do a lot of research and still they make the wrong choices. So in that sense, these expert packs will help you with that as well, that it will really give you some really good recommendations for how to plan your trip, how to figure out your stay and all that stuff. So once you get this Yatra pack, you basically need to read it thoroughly, clarify any doubts, or if there are specific aspects you would like to do differently, you can plan that particular aspect out, or even write back to me and ask me for recommendations as to how to do that specific aspect differently. And after that, you basically just have to do your bookings. You figure out what dates you are free and you do your own bookings for stay, transport, all of that stuff. And so you know that I'm not taking a cut on that. Because one of the ways that all of these travel groups and all they'll make money is because they have these kickbacks and all going on with the hotels you're staying in or the transport you're booking, etc. But none of that applies because you're going to do your own booking. I'm just going to give you recommendations, and it does that. You see, that purchase cycle doesn't connect to me at all. And then that's all. You're just ready to travel. It's a really, really quick process. So that's what the Yatra pack is. If you would like, you go ahead and purchase the Yatra pack of your choice. Otherwise, you can just contact me through the form or through the email ID, and I'm happy to respond to your queries. Namaskar.